Hello guys, welcome back this advanced level combined mathematics, my YouTube platform. Through this my target to show some expected problem or part of a problem or similar questions in coming forthcome your exam, pure maths papers or higher mathematics or mathematics, combined maths, Excel mathematics, further mathematics, any exam papers in pure maths, applied mathematics or whatever expected question or target problems show through this my video series how to solve or how to get the solution of that. You can use this similar idea for any future, or from this you think what the next part of this question. Okay, see today's nice to algebra, yes, trigonometry and algebra problem. A is a matrix, right? You know, matrix algebra. A is a matrix given like these elements minus P, Q, R, P. So what is matrix? Square matrix, 2 rows and 2 columns, right? Square matrix. And also they say such as A square equal to I. A is a matrix like A equal this, also such as A square equal to I. What is A square? Squaring a matrix, multiplication, A multiple A, ordinary method, algebra is square matrix also, A square, A into A square. What is I? Identity matrix. What is identity mean? In a matrix, main diagonal 1, rest of the paths are 0. This is known as identical matrix or special notation I2. 2 by 2 order. The order is 2 by 2, right? Then what is I3? I3 or identity matrix of order 3, 3 by 3. It can be shown main diagonal 1, rest of the elements are 0, right? That's the part how this I notation, okay? So A is a matrix, elements are available, and A square equal to an identity matrix. Then show this answer. A simple case can be asked a part of the question, you know, in combined maths paper. This is essay with the complex numbers. Maybe part of the answer, first part can be asked through this, and furthermore from hereafter. Okay, I'll solve that one first. We'll see what is A square mean. Actually, A square equal to I. What is A square? Matrix A multiple with the matrix A once again. I think matrix is the easiest question exam paper, pure maths papers or combined maths paper. We have only the matrix, no determinant in this combined maths paper, but matrix and determinant is the biggest chapter. Okay, A square, right? So what is I here? According to this order, I becomes I2, right? Therefore, main diagonal unity, balance path 0. Okay, so first you can write like this. Now, actually, we have the O-level mathematics in Sri Lankan syllabus. We have matrix multiplication. Can you multiple? How to multiple the matrix? Row wise, column wise, multiple and add. So resultant order also becomes 2 by 2, right? Okay. So this here element, here an element, 4 elements, right? Or entries, multiple and added. So this row and column. So minus P, okay, minus P, multiple, positive P square plus P R, this and this Q R, okay. This row and column, P into P, Q into R, right? This one multiple, minus P into Q, minus P Q plus Q into P, okay. And here multiple rows and columns, multiple and added. R into minus, minus PR, okay, minus PR plus PR, okay. And next one, this and this, right? So RQ plus P square, right? RQ plus P square, okay. The other side, the identity matrix 1, 1, It's called main diagonal, right? Okay, that's all. Now we see the far. I can show something here. P square plus QR. This is what? Minus PQ plus PQ, 0. Minus PR plus PR, 0. This is RQ plus P square. Okay. The other side, that's equal to 1 0 0 1, the matrix. So now you take the matrix identity or the matrix equality equation, equal of the two matrices, corresponding elements are equal. Here 0, here 0. That's correct. Here was 0, here 0. So here what? This is equal to 1. Or here what? That's equal to 1. I think both are same. P square plus QR is equal to 1. Okay. P square plus QR equal to 1. P square plus QR equal to 1. That's the answer. So P square plus QR equal to 1. Okay. So now see the answer is, I think, the all terms taken to other side. Therefore 1 here plus P square QR, okay, 1 is minus Q, I think minus Q, minus Q is it becomes equal to 0. Check will be the problem there, original problem on thumbnail or the YouTube banner. Okay, simple case. The idea is multiplication of the matrix. So check will you once again, minus P square plus QR, minus plus P square, okay, plus QR, right? And this is come 0, this one multiple this and this, QR plus P square. Okay, right? That's the answer for that part. Or is it okay? Yes, 1 minus PR minus QR. Okay, come back to another nice question. This is a trigonometry and some sort of a quadratic equation. So what the problem is, alpha, okay, x is a real number, alpha is maximum value of this. That means what the maximum value for this, that number value is alpha. What is beta is minimum value of this, 8 to the power 2 sine 3x into 4 to the power 4 cos 3x. See, the both are same, right? So maximum answer is alpha, minimum answer is beta. Now they connect the alpha and beta for a quadratic equation form. 8x square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is a quadratic equation, right? That's the quadratic equation has two solutions. So they said one answer alpha to the power 1 over 5, other root, other solution beta to the power 1 over 5. Then find the value of c minus b. Or they can show that c minus b equal to this. Therefore, main part will find what is alpha, what is beta. Okay. See how I am showing this from the beginning principle, first principle. So actually what is this expression? 8 to the power 2 sine 3x into 4 to the this one into 4 to the power 4 cos 3x. My target to find the maximum and minimum value of this. Okay, can I convert to base 2? 2 to the power 3, so 6 into 4 is 2 square, so 8. Nice work, right? Now the bases are equal, indices work out. 6 sine 3x, bases equal at the power, indices work out. Wow. If I say this is y something, y equal 2 to the power 6 sine 3x, 8 cos 3x. Now you forget this 2. Now we'll find the maximum of the y value. That is, they say alpha. Minimum value of the y value, that's they say beta, right? Now we study how to find the maximum, minimum. how to find the maximum, minimum, such a trigonometric expression. See my method. I take E equal a 6 sine 3x plus 8 cos 3x, right? Now study once again, final chance to learn how to find such a pattern, maximum, minimum. The standard theory part. This is known as A cos theta plus B sin theta pattern. A cos theta plus B sin theta, or A sin theta, B cos theta, whatever, no problem. So here you can't find the maximum, minimum. You cannot convert this to find maximum, minimum, because when sine is increasing, cos is decreasing. Here increasing, sine decrease. Example, sine naught naught, cos naught 1, sine 91, but cos naught 0, sine 30, half, cos 60 is half. So sine increase, cos decrease, you can't find. Therefore, the technique, the method, try to get completely in terms of sine or completely in terms of cos. I hope you have learned this in the school level or tuition classes. Okay, see how that the method, how to convert this one into completely cos or sine. The general pattern, A cos theta plus B sin theta form, or A sin theta plus B cos theta form is, what is the sine coefficient, square it, cos coefficient, square it, at the board, what the square root, take out and divide by inside. 6 square 36, 8 square 100, at the both 36, 8 square 64, at the both 100, square root is 10. Okay, therefore take the 10 out and divide by 10. A cos theta plus B sin theta form, right? Therefore, E equal 10. Can I get the simplest form? Say this one, 3 over 5. 3 over 5 sine 3x plus cut by 2, 4 over 5 cos 3x, right? Okay, now you take one is sine alpha, other one automatically comes cos alpha. If I say this is cos theta, this becomes cos alpha. Cos theta 3 over 5. Think about a right angle triangle. 3 over 5 means other one 4 over 5, right? Therefore, can I show here equal 10 into, I take this one theta, cos theta, so into next one cos theta sine 3x, I say it's in cos theta sine 3x. Then think about right angle triangle, it's become sine theta cos 3x, right? So what is your nice trigonometric work? 10 into sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Sine A plus B, is it? Sine A plus B. So my target, dear student, not only for this problem, you can think similar questions or any type of problem. You can use it, this idea, right? Completely this becomes this pattern. Now you can find maximum, minimum case. I need to find the maximum and minimum. So to become disease maximum, when sine becomes maximum, E is maximum. Sine becomes minimum, E is minimum. You know, sine and cos specially bounded between -1 and +1, between -1 and +1, right? Therefore here E max, the maximum of the E value, 10 into 1, that is 10, right? Maximum of the E value is 10, okay? And minimum of the E value, E minimum, what is that? E minimum answer, 10 into sine minimum -1. sinusoidal curve, maximum, minimum, maximum, minimum, maximum 1, minimum minus 1, right? This is minus 1, therefore minus 10, okay? Minus 10, right? This I said 2 to the power e, 2 to the power e. You know, e maximum 10, e minimum minus 10. Okay, now come back to this problem. What is alpha therefore? What is alpha? Maximum of this expression. This expression maximum answer. Therefore, what is alpha? 2 to the power 10. Okay, 2 to the power 10. 2 to the power 10, okay? Therefore, you can copy properly. Alpha equal 2 to the power 10. What is beta? Minimum value of this. Minimum value of this minus 10. So, beta equal 2 to the power negative 10. Okay? Right. Come back now. The relation 8x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. The roots are this and this. Now you go to your quadratic equation generally. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. If the roots are alpha and beta, alpha plus beta minus b over a, alpha into beta, c over a, right? Therefore, this equation, these are the rules, right? Can I find what is alpha to the power 1 over 5? You know, alpha is 2 to the power 10. 1 over 5. The answer 2 square, 4. Alpha to the power 1 over 5 is 4. What is beta to the power 1 over 5? Same method, what is beta? 2 to the power minus 10, completely 1 over 5. So simplify 2 to the power minus 2, 1 over 4, right? 1 over 4 is the answer of alpha to the power 1 over 5 and beta to the power 1 over 5, right? Okay, now you know if a quadratic equation is provided, 8x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. What the sum of the root minus b over a, product of the root c over a. But the question, what is c minus b answer? Okay, now come back. Therefore, alpha to the power 1 over 5, beta to the power 1 over 5. Sum of the root minus b over a. What the sum of these? You know the answers, alpha 4, beta power 1 over 4. This equal minus b over 8. So find the B answer, primary mathematics. Here 16, 117 over 4 into 8 is minus B, okay. Therefore, B answer negative 34. B answer negative 34 using sum of the roots. What is product of the root? In a quadratic equation, product of the root C over A. So what is C over A? C over 8, okay. So what is alpha power 1 over 5, 4. This is 1 over 4. Wow. Okay, nice workout. So cancel. C equal 8. So you know B, you know C. So what the answer here? Find the value of C minus B, right? So newcomers, please subscribe this and send it to all your colleague mathematics students, advanced level, pure mathematics, all levels, though, to intend to go to advanced science section, most suitable video series, all superb revision type, expected problems in future exams, whatever it is, pure maths, applied mathematics, or Excel, Cambridge, higher mathematics, or number 9 paper, that maths paper in advanced level. C minus B, C is 8 minus B is negative 34. So what is the answer? 42, okay. 42 is the answer. Okay, we'll see next time. is a nice workout for future expectation called paper out exam, this video series. Bye.